Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value. Area. High. VAH. 6,627, acting like a cold spot in the attic. Price must find its courage to haunt any higher. Value area. Low. VAL. 6,607. The creaky basement door where sellers are trying to drag the market into the darkness. Point of control. POC. 6,616. The main hallway, where most of the ghostly activity has manifested over the current session. Support zone. 6,596 to 6,607, a solid stone foundation that keeps the mansion from collapsing into the abyss. Resistance zone. 6,627 to 6,644, a heavy iron gate that buyers must rattle if they wish to escape this haunting. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower. 6,596 to 6,597. A secret passage to the lower vaults. Watch for a rapid descent if this floor breaks. Upper. 6,642 to 6,644. A stained glass window that offers a glimpse of the moonlight. If breached, momentum might take flight. Market context. The current session feels like walking through a fog-filled corridor with a flickering candle. Prices hesitating between 6,596 and 6,645, waiting for a sign from the beyond. The bears tried to spook the market early on, but the buyers have summoned enough spirit to keep things from getting too ghastly. It is a state of eerie balance, where the floor is creaking but not quite giving way just yet. 3-day spectral sessions. Day 3, March 17th. POC 6723. High 6758. Low 6665. The spirits were bold and held the upper floors with confidence. Day 2, March 18th. POC 6755. High 6762. Low 6604. A sudden chill sent the market crashing through the floorboards. Day 1, March 19th. POC 6,616. High 6,645. Low 6,596. The haunting has calmed into a quiet seance beneath the previous day's carnage. Value has been descending like a falling chandelier over the last 3 days. Acceptance above 6,627 would be a sign that the haunting is lifting, while a failure at 6,607 would suggest the ghosts are taking us to the cellar. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. C pipe V. D negative 508 contracts. Our haunting began with a faint wail from the sellers. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD reached 1,341. A brief moment where the sun pierced through the dusty curtains. Current. CVD. Negative 209 net. Positive 299 from open, meaning the buyers have been quietly performing an exorcism on the early selling pressure. Intraday low. CVD. Low. Negative 2,660. A moment of pure terror where it seemed the bears would haunt us forever. Interpretation. The early aggressive selling has lost its spirit. The net accumulation since the open suggests that someone is building a sanctuary while the rest of the market is afraid of their own shadow. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near the VAL between 6,596 to 6,607. Stop loss. Below the single print floor at approximately 6,592, 4 ticks beneath support, or use ATR, approximately 11 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC, 6,616. Major target at VAH, 6,627. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,627 to 6,644, or a break beneath the seller floor. Stop loss. Above the upper single print ceiling at approximately 6,648, or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for the first partial, then the VAL. Position. Sizing. Use a maximum of 1 to 2% account risk to avoid being buried alive. Trail your protective spells to the last defended level after the first target is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. The market clears the attic at 6,627 and finds a way to the roof. Setup. Enter long above 6,627 with a stop at the POC, 6,616. Target the upper escape at 6,644 and beyond. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The ghost at 6,627. Slam the door shut and push us back down the stairs. Setup. Short. On the first failure to hold above 6,627, stop above 6,644. Target the POC, then the VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The basement floor at 6,607 rots away and price falls into the tomb. Setup. Shorter break. Below 6,607. Stop above 6,616. Target the low of 6,596 in the darkness below. Scenario D, value bounce. The buyers find a hidden treasure at the VAL and decide to stay a while. Setup. Long at 6,607. Stop at 6,596. Target the POC, then the VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.